Hi everyone, just wanted to make an intra-week update even though the week just began. I'm looking at NASDAQ because, well, we'll get to the currencies after this. But on NASDAQ, this is all we've done today essentially. From the Asia session consolidation and the London session manipulation above the midnight opening price, having an SMT with S&P 500, SMT with the S&P 500. Don't know why I just messed that up, but yeah, that's Asia session high. If you check your charts on the SMT 500, you'd notice that we took this Asia session high, and then at the same time with this portion of price action, this portion here where we failed to take this high on S&P 500, we succeeded in taking it. I'm not going to show that on this time frame in this video. You just have to look it up, look at your charts to see what I mean. So right now, what we've done today, we've actually succeeded in trading into the 4-hour BC. If you watched my weekly outlook video, you would know that I was looking for a rejection off of this 4-hour BC, then a continuation higher to those equal highs. Going through that, we have that buy side liquidity. If we really get animated to the upside, we can actually see the all-time high this week. And I would not be shocked if this becomes the low of the week right here on a Monday. But for that to be the case, I'll need two conditions to be met. One, on the 4-hour chart, we created this CB, this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. We created this CB over here. I would like to see it invalidated. I would like to see it disrespected. If we could trade higher and close above this area, this fair value gap, using it as an inversion, I would like to see those signatures because it will be indicating higher prices. The second thing I want to see is on the 5 minutes or preferably on the 15 minutes. I would also like to see a closure above the new week opening gap, because that's a critical gap for the entirety of the week actually. Tomorrow we do have a red folder news event at 8:30 a.m. New York time, so I'm curious to see if that's going to push us higher, use this as some measure of support, then continue higher from there. Again, first target at the equal highs at the 19693 level. So that's my expectation on NASDAQ. That's what I'm looking for going forward. If you remember, my other top watch for the week was GBPUSD. I was expecting us to reach this area, the swing high over here, but I was very careful because at the same time we are already trading inside of an inefficiency. Keep in mind that we have this BC already here on the 4-hour, so for us to be trading to the second one was already stretching it too thin. But I really wanted to see if we could trade into it deeper, clearing this swing low before continuing higher. But that didn't happen, and price is already running away without me. So I'm looking for other higher PDRAs to just monitor for the rest of the week. I'm not really going to try and chase it up here, but yeah, I'm looking for example this inefficiency possibly supporting higher prices. Of course, if GBPUSD is pushing up like this, then dollar is obviously doing the opposite by pushing lower. We have not cleared this sell side liquidity level, but it's very likely that we do so tomorrow, Tuesday. So yes, I was looking at this daily inefficiency where we have the daily CB and volume imbalance at the same time. I was looking to see if we could retrace up to this area, then I would have been looking for entries to sell, but Monday just opened up, barely manipulated higher, then just pushed lower. So yeah, very bearish signature so far. The low that creates the yearly fair value gap is over there, so I would like to see if this momentum to the downside would actually hold, or if we are actually still going to manipulate one more time into some sort of premium PDRA. In the meantime, I'm liking these signatures, and let's see if GBPUSD would be able to give us a retracement to continue higher. Yeah, that's all I have for now. Nothing much to add, so stay safe, good luck, and good trading.